Today, I'm revealing the top 5 travel photography drones you can actually buy right now in 2026. Number 4 is the perfect vlogging companion that launches from your palm. But number 1. It's the only drone that perfectly balances 4K 60 frames per second HDR, 45-minute flight time, and weighs under 249 grams, meaning no registration hassles almost anywhere on Earth. Starting at number 1. Antigravity A1-8K 360 Drone. The Antigravity A1-8K 360 drone is an advanced flying device designed for an immersive aerial experience. Weighing just 249 grams, it is lightweight and foldable, making it highly portable for users of all ages, including adults, kids, and beginners. The drone features a unique point-to-fly motion control system, allowing users to intuitively direct their flight path with ease. Equipped with obstacle avoidance technology, the drone ensures a safer flying experience by automatically detecting and avoiding obstacles in its flight path. It boasts an impressive range of up to 10 kilometers, enabling long-distance exploration and capturing stunning aerial footage. For photography and videography enthusiasts, the Antigravity A1-8K 360 drone comes with deep tracking capabilities and auto-edit features, which help in quickly compiling and producing high-quality visual content with minimal effort. Whether you are flying for leisure, recreation, or to capture breathtaking views, this drone offers a remarkable combination of performance, safety, and convenience. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise Thermal Advanced Drone. The DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise Thermal Advanced Drone Bundle is a high-performance UAV designed for professionals in various industries, including public safety, inspection, and search and rescue. This bundle includes the Mavic 3 Enterprise drone, which features advanced thermal imaging capabilities, providing enhanced situational awareness and the ability to capture accurate thermal data for various applications. Number 3. DJI Flip Fly More Combo with RC2 Screen Remote Controller. DJI Flip Fly More Combo is a state-of-the-art drone package designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. This combo includes the innovative RC2 Screen Remote Controller, which features a built-in display for real-time viewing and easier control of the drone during flights. Equipped with a high-quality 4K UHD camera, this drone captures stunning aerial footage and photographs, making it ideal for content creators and outdoor adventurers. One of the standout features is its palm takeoff capability, allowing users to launch the drone directly from the palm of their hand, making it incredibly user-friendly. The auto-return function ensures that the drone returns safely to its takeoff point, providing peace of mind during flights. Number 4. Ruco F11 Pro 2 Drone. The Ruco F11 Pro 2 drone is an advanced aerial photography drone designed specifically for adults who are interested in high-quality imaging and user-friendly operation. This drone features a remarkable 6K camera, allowing for stunningly clear and detailed photography and videography. It is equipped with a 3-axis gimbal that stabilizes the camera, ensuring smooth footage even during flight. One of the standout features of the F11 Pro 2 is its impressive flight time. With 2 included batteries, users can enjoy up to 70 minutes of combined flying time, providing ample opportunity to capture breathtaking scenery or complete various flight maneuvers. The drone also boasts long-range transmission capabilities, enhancing its ability to operate over greater distances without losing connection. Number 5. Holystone HS600D Drone. The Holystone HS600D drone is a high-performance device designed for adults who want to capture stunning aerial footage and photos. It boasts a 4K resolution at 30 frames per second (FPS) video capability, allowing for crystal-clear video quality. The drone is also equipped with a powerful 48MP camera that can take 8K photos, perfect for photography enthusiasts looking to capture high-resolution images. One of the standout features of the HS600D is its 3-axis gimbal with electronic image stabilization (EIS), which ensures that your videos remain smooth and stable, even in challenging flying conditions. This feature significantly reduces the effects of shaking and vibrations, providing professional quality footage. With a level 6 wind resistance rating, this drone can handle windy conditions effectively, making it suitable for outdoor use in various environments. Additionally, the HS600D boasts an impressive flight time of up to 80 minutes, allowing you to capture extended sessions of photography and videography without frequent battery changes. And that's your complete guide to travel drones in 2026. Remember, the best travel drone isn't always the one with the biggest sensor, it's the one that doesn't get confiscated at the border.